Okay, there's an issue for this student. Check in the student balance. This issue when I testing in the daily routine student balance. And look at this. I go to the student card of the student. Okay, from Michapar 5 art at Volturmia. And when I check in the finance status, it's nothing problem. But when I check in the student balance, there is the billing is generated 2 times. Look at this. Score system fee, registration mobile fee, down payment, and generate payment of term 1 until payment of term H. But look at this, there is a generate again scholarship fee until the payment of term H again. Even so, when I check in the commentaries, there is no history about the student that already transferred. So in the commentaries, just display recorded when the student pay the down payment, just this. But in the student balance, it's recorded for the 2 times. You should from the billings and the payment of term, it should generate just once. Okay, and when I check for another uh, recorded follow up student, it's not a problem in here. And check also in the operational lines. Okay. Okay. When I check in here, you should display the 2 times also. Okay, when I check in the unbalanced account, it's not display data anything because the student have balance. And look at this, it's also display the same like that with the operation lines. I think the problem is the student balance is generated among 2 times in the payment of term 1, payment of term. So